Welcome to our first in-house manufacturing facility in Europe, where we have now officially opened our doors. Based in Ulle, Hungary, the factory focuses primarily on building customized server infrastructure, high-end desktops and workstations used by businesses across Europe. Our innovative new facility is at the beating heart of our international manufacturing operations, serving customers across the region. We're so excited to launch this new facility as it puts us much closer to our European customers, adding an important hub to our global manufacturing footprint. Hungary is a prime, well-connected location at the center of the region, close to many commercial hubs and transport networks, meaning that we can fulfill customer orders more quickly, be more efficient with our transportation and delivery times. The time it now takes for a product to be made in this factory to the moment it arrives in customers' hands has been significantly reduced. With our new factory, we wanted to build a location with the capacity to manufacture products on a huge scale and one that harnesses world-class innovation. It is an enormous site that stretches close to 50,000 square meters, 2 buildings and 3 floors. It hosts an inbound-outbound warehouse, a manufacturing area, function rooms, office area, canteen and reception. Of course, sustainability is one of our key focus areas at Lenovo, and this site has embraced that. A facility like this naturally uses a lot of energy to make it thrive. So, our logistics building has been fitted with solar panels that produce up to 0.5 megawatts of energy, enough to power a small village. We're also pleased to see the impact our factory is having on the local economy here in Hungary, as well as the wider ecosystem of suppliers and partners we work with. We're currently directly employing 1,000 full-time staff in a wide variety of roles across engineering, quality, manufacturing, finance, accounting, general procurement and HR. Hungary is at the heart of Lenovo's plans to ensure the future success of the company, and our employees are vital to making this happen. Looking more locally, our investment in Hungary will make further positive impacts on jobs and the wider ecosystem that comes with creating a new production hub. In addition, we're engaging with local communities such as schools, delivering technology to them to enhance students' educational experience. As the Lenovo business continues to grow around the world, this incredible new facility will play a key role in fulfilling and servicing customer needs, bringing smarter technology for all to Europe more sustainably, quickly and efficiently.